For our double door on the 20-foot tunnel, we have a 6-foot baseboard piece. The single door, it's 8 feet. So we're just gonna measure into the middle. So I'm at 3 feet right here, and this will help provide some additional support. Go right in line with the string that's on the outside of those 2 corner posts. Cut through the landscape fabric and start driving it down to about 6 inches. And then I'll cut that area that's been damaged by the hammer, and the piece that this was cut from will slide right into it for our upright on the end wall.
Oh yeah. So much easier.